Hey everybody, it's Will at VIP Mortgage and it's time for a quick rate update. Rates have improved slightly this week and the technical analysis of the bond market shows that we've got a little bit more room to improve. Nothing to write home about here. We're just looking at small moves on the bond market and we are starting to see data stack up that supports a little more room to improve. The question is, how long is that going to take to develop? I've been saying I think rates are going to be stuck where they are for the next several weeks. I don't think that outside of big market moving news that there's going to be any significant changes. We finally got at least a pause on tariffs with China, which has been good overall for the financial markets. And the inflation report that came out this week was much better than expected. That helps the long-term trend, the 3-month and the 6-month inflation rate, drop below the target rate that the Fed has been waiting for. All this is to say that rates, I think, are going to be stubborn over the summer. The next opportunity that I see where rates could improve is maybe in the fall. But there's going to be a lot of factors that play into that. Keep in mind, over the summer months, there's going to be a lot more property for sale, and we're seeing a market where there's lots of opportunities for value. And that is, if there is a really nice home in a really great neighborhood and it's priced just right, it sells rather quickly. Other times, property sits around on the market for a variety of reasons, some of which is that they're listing too high or too low when they put their house on the market. So here's the thing. If you're out there checking out the real estate environment, look in a broader range than you normally would. And what I mean by this is we're starting to see a strategy emerge where people are listing homes deliberately way lower than what the home is actually worth in order to try to generate multiple offers and an escalation situation. And so if you're thinking you want to be in a certain range, look a little bit above it and a little bit below it and see if you can find some value. See if you see some properties that would fit your needs that have been sitting there or that are out of whack with what you would expect for that property and that price. I think there's some really good opportunities out there, and rates and whatever they're doing in the moment shouldn't really be dissuading you from finding value in our market. And there's a great opportunity to negotiate. If you've hired a great realtor, they're going to be able to help you put together an offer that gives you an exceptional value on the home that you're looking at. If there's anything we can do for you, or if we can get you a rate quote for your specific situation, please give us a call at 719-232-7553.